lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this really wearable, everyday look, perfect for school or work. I'm kidding. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I created this really intense Halloween look. I have glitter on my teeth. I was a little bit terrified at first because this is my first time drawing a skull on my face. To be honest, for a first attempt, I'm pretty happy with the end result. Glittery eyebrows, glittery eyelids, glittery teeth. I mean the fake one. The real one though, has some glitters on them too. But yeah, you know we love glitters here, so I had to involve them in this Halloween look. This week he's been through so many videos. It's so bad quality, but I've put it in so many videos. Be ready for a really intense transformation in 3, 2, 1. Go! Let's get started. Honestly, I don't know where to start from, but I guess I'm gonna start off by applying some makeup from here up on my face. I'm gonna use this Zoeva foundation, so I'm gonna mix the shade 30N with the shade 90C. I got it on my hair. I already primed my skin, so that's why I'm moving straight to the foundation. With the Halloween looks, you want to prep your skin really nicely so that you make sure that your makeup lasts for as long as possible, because obviously you're gonna be wearing something a little bit more dramatic, so you don't want it to be smudging and moving around. You want it to look like you just put it on, you know? I'm also gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, but I'm gonna prime just the upper part of my eyes from the crease and above. And for that I'm using some concealer. That's where I'm gonna be applying some eyeshadow, so I want that area to be very nice and even. Alright, so I'm thinking I'll start creating this look from the eyes down to the skull mask, wherever we're creating today. I have no idea how this will look at the end. I have something in my mind. I don't know if I'm going to be able to recreate it on my face. That's the scary part. I'm taking the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop palette in with a small Sigma EO6 brush. I will start outlining the eye look. Something like this. It doesn't need to be perfect at this point. You just want to see where everything will be, just like a guideline. So now I'm gonna take a bigger and thicker angled brush, and this is the Colourpop rainbow palette. I can't remember how it's called, but I'm gonna take this nice blue shade here and I will start fading that guideline that I just created. Now switching to a bigger blending brush. This is the Sigma E25 and just diffusing all the edges. And now I'll just go ahead and start building up the color, because with the blending we lost some of the intensity. So going back to that Kathleen Lights palette, taking that deep blue shade, adding some more of it. Taking that lighter blue from that other Colourpop palette, adding some more of it as well. I'm adding it a little bit higher than that darker blue shade. You want to kind of create a nice gradient here. And of course you don't want to leave it like that, so I'm taking that big fluffy brush again and blending everything out one more time. Or as many times as you need. You can really take your time and build up this color, or you can leave it a little bit less saturated. It's totally up to you. Okay, now I'm just cleaning my brow bone with a lighter shade of concealer. I wiped off some of that blue eyeshadow that I had here, and here's my favorite part, cutting the crease. So I used a makeup wipe to remove most of the blue eyeshadow, because if I tried cutting it and I had some blue eyeshadow that I didn't need there, it would mix with the concealer and it would look really messy and muddy, and you don't want that. So that's why you want to get rid of the excess eyeshadow and just work on a really nice clean base. So for this cut crease, you just need to take your time. There is no other way. You want to create a very nice fading effect, so for that you need to go back and forth between the concealer and the blue eyeshadow. It requires a little bit time, I'm not gonna lie to you. For my eyebrows, first of all, I'm really sorry that you had to see them so up close in this condition that they are today, but I need to plug them. Just didn't have time to do it. But today I want to make them look very nice and blue and frosty. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I have these Lottie eye foiled metallic eyeshadows. I'm just gonna mix them on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that frosty color. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, they look good. You know what, actually I'm just gonna that's better. Oh, my eyebrows are so glittery. I love it. I love this time of the year. This is the only time that I can have glittery eyebrows. I might add a little bit of this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer just to make them look a little bit more camouflaged. Yeah, that's so much better. This is how my eyebrows will look when I get old, except for the glitters. But I'm gonna let my eyebrows dry now, and once all the products that I applied are nice and set, I'm gonna add some more shimmers, because why not? Look how sparkly they are. I love it. I love it so much, you guys. Okay, so I really can't wait to start working on the skull. So let's do it. Let's not lose any time. I have these Kryolan Supra Color paints here. This is the Kryolan Supra Color Clown White. I'm gonna take some of it in the cup and I will mix it with this dark blue shade here. Oh, that's so cool! I'm so excited right now. Wow, I didn't know that this was so covering. Okay, and now all you have to do is focus on the details. So as you can tell, I already did some guidelines. Guidelines are your best friend, and yeah, let's just start drawing and bringing it into life. Now I just look like I have something blue on my face, but let's make it look a little bit more realistic. I hope I can do that actually. My plate is matching with my makeup today. I'm gonna try to have an egg toast. I had to separate it into different pieces of bread because I don't think that I would be able to eat like a regular sandwich without messing up what I've already done. Okay, wish me good luck. I'm gonna mess this makeup so bad. There is blue paint on the cheese. I look so angry when I'm biting that toast. In my opinion, there is no pizza or toast in this world that deserves to be eaten with a fork. But here I am today, eating my toast with a fork. Now it's so much easier. I'm switching between the paints and the eyeshadows. I'm using the eyeshadows mainly for shading and adding some shadows, highlights. It's good if you have a reference, you guys. I'm using this photo. I actually changed the color to blue. It was like a almost black and white image. I changed it in Photoshop so that it would be a little bit more closer to the colors that I'm using today. If I can find it, I'm gonna have a link to it down in the description box. I kinda messed it up, That should be a song. No, that's what I call contouring. Look at that contour. Ah, so sharp, so fierce. I think I kinda messed up this part here. This was not supposed to look like that. I'm gonna go ahead and define the teeth, and after that I'm gonna move to the eyes so that I can finish them up and add the final touches. I don't know what happened with my hand here. Oh my god, everything is so messy here. I'm gonna take some glitter glue on the back of my hand and I'm gonna add it in the places that I wanna add the glitter. And I use that glitter from that Kathleen Lights palette. I actually decided to switch to this ColourPop Villains Glittery Obsessed Body Glitter. Now, if you decide to use body glitter so closely to your mouth, do it at your own risk because this particular one has some bigger pieces of glitter. Obviously, it's not a good idea to swallow them. As you can tell, I'm applying them a little bit more far away from my mouth, like I'm just adding them on my lips and far away from the places that I can swallow some of the pieces. So you definitely want to be careful with this one. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some voiceover in this video because the glitter is stuck on my lips and I can't talk properly. I mean, I can talk, but usually when I'm talking I'm like super smiley and I feel like I can't smile too much because I'm ruining the whole makeup and I don't want to be like super serious like, hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this look. No, I want to be smiling to you, but I can't. This is really difficult, so I'm gonna include some voiceover. Hope you don't mind. Hello guys, it's voiceover Danny talking now. I'm taking it from here. I might sound a little bit sleepy because it's the next morning. I just woke up, so yeah, that's why I might sound a little bit different. Now what I'm doing is I'm applying some winged eyeliner. I'm using my Huda Beauty Life Liner. Then I put on my contacts. Ooh, so spooky. After that, I went back to that glitter glue and I covered my eyelid area with it, and then on top I applied the glitter. It's that same glitter from that Kathleen Lights palette. And a short pause to appreciate those sparkles. Okay, thank you. Let's move on. Covering up the darkness under my eyes with some concealer. Under my eyes, I will create a straight line following my lash line and going parallel to that cut crease line, spending some time diffusing it. And in the space between my lower lash line and that blue line, I'll add some sparkles. This is a liquid sparkly eyeshadow, you know, just for some extra sparkles. Prepping my lashes for the poses, I used a pair by the brand Rouge and Rouge. Final touches on the skull. I'm setting everything in place with some setting powder. I'm using a translucent one, no color. Time to put the wig on. I decided to style it into a really messy low bun. And to finish up the look, I put on my skull costume. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. As you can tell, I'm not a pro at putting a wig on, but hey, I'm trying. I forgot I should not smile. I should not smile. This costume, you guys, it's so creepy. Look at it, it's so nice. I'm gonna have a link to their website down in the description box. They have some awesome Halloween costumes, so definitely go and check them out. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Hope you have a good day, night, wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!